Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from a mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Fiesta. So what we do, we go to music, select a track that you want to play. I'm just going to turn this down at the moment, but if you see at the bottom the three circles and the triangle, if you click on there, you'll see you've got a choice between iPhone and Sync. If the tick's next to iPhone, you just need to make sure Sync is ticked. So this is playing. Let's just go back to it. So that's playing, but it's turned down. Now what we do with the radio playing or anything playing, you go to auxiliary. That's saying connect to USB device. So if you were to connect to USB device there, then that device would play through the speakers. However, we want Bluetooth, so we click aux again, and that's gone on to Bluetooth audio, and it's showing Tears for Fears there. Everyone wants to rule the world, and it's showing on there. So when I turn this up, let's see if I turn that up and then quickly blast it through there. I can't play it too long or else I'll get a copyright strike, but that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.